Hello guys, my name is Andy. Welcome to Scotland. This is my hometown. If you can see way over there, that's Glasgow, where I come from. Today we're going to talk about the idea of cause and effect. Cause and effect. A cause is why something happens, why an action happens. And the effect is the result of this action. So we have two things happening, cause and effect. Let me give you an example right now. Behind me is a massive wind turbine. It's a giant structure blowing in the wind, because in Scotland, in my country, 50% of our energy comes from the wind. Think about the cause and effect of this wind turbine. What is happening behind me? The wind is blowing, that's the cause. And the effect, well, what do you think the effect of the wind blowing is? What's happening? You can see the three fans are turning. That's one effect. What's the next effect? Well, this creates electricity. And what do we use the electricity for? Well, if you come right round again, here in my hometown Glasgow, we power all of our homes with the electricity from this wind turbine. So you can see we've got cause and effect. The wind is blowing, it creates electricity, effect number one. The electricity powers our homes, effect number two. So in your essays, I want you to try and think about the causes and effects of two disasters, two crises. You can think about the Deepwater Horizon 2010 oil rig explosion. You could think about the King's Cross fire in London in 1987, I think. You can think about the Piper Alpha oil rig explosion in Scotland in 1986. Or you can choose your own crisis, but choose two disasters, two crises, and I need you to research and explain the causes and the effects of that disaster. Tell me what happened in, let's take the Deepwater Horizon explosion in 2010. The oil came up from under the sea and exploded. Why? Tell me the cause. Why did that happen? Why did the oil come up and explode? That's the cause. What was the effect? Well, the effect was a massive explosion. I don't know how many people died, but that's your job. Do some research. The effects are people died. The oil went into the sea and made a lot of pollution. A lot of pollution. That's the second effect. A big problem. Maybe another effect is the oil in the sea is killing the fish, and so on and so on and so on. So think about cause and effect. I hope that helps, guys. If you have questions, we'll look at it after the video. And oh, look, hey, it's raining. It's raining. Can you see that? Oh, the timing is perfect. Welcome to Scotland. In this in this country, it rains a lot. Here's a cause and effect example. Okay, guys, we're talking about cause and effect. Here's a really good example from Mother Nature. It is raining. The cause of the rain is what? Water. Water in the cloud is falling. And what's the effect? I'm getting really wet. And I don't like it. But another effect is it's good for the plants. It helps the plants to grow. So think about cause and effect in your essay. Good luck, guys. Thank you. Fuck, it's too much. It's too much.